You already know what it is on God. Get ready. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart: compound interest. You might have heard it called the eighth wonder of the world, and trust me, there's a good reason for that. It's like magic, but instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, we're talking about growing your money exponentially. That's right, compound interest is your secret weapon to building wealth over time. And the best part is, it does most of the heavy lifting for you. So many people struggle with complicated financial jargon, but I'm here to break it down in a way that makes sense. We'll cover all the basics, from what compound interest is to how it works its magic. Get ready to become a compound interest pro and unlock a world of financial possibilities. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to make your money work harder for you. Let's get started. All right. Let's demystify this whole compound interest thing. In the simplest terms, compound interest is interest earned on interest. Sounds simple, right? Let me explain. When you deposit money into a savings account or invest in something that earns interest, you're not just earning interest on your initial investment, you're also earning interest on the accumulated interest from previous periods. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound interest in action. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows and the faster it grows. In the next section, we'll dive into a practical example to illustrate this concept even further. So stay tuned. Let's say you have $1,000 and you deposit it into a savings account that earns an annual interest rate of 5%. After the first year, you'll earn $50 in interest, which is 5% of $1,000. Now here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you're not just earning interest on your original $1,000, but also on the $50 you earned in interest. So your new balance is $1,050 and you'll earn 5% interest on that amount. This means you'll earn $52.50 in interest in the second year. See how your money is starting to grow faster? Each year, the amount of interest you earn increases because you're earning interest on a larger and larger principal amount. This is the beauty of compounding. In the next section, we'll explore the crucial role time plays in maximizing the benefits of compound interest. Get ready to be amazed. Time is your best friend when it comes to compound interest. The longer you let your money compound, the more significant the results. This is why it's so important to start investing early, even if it's with small amounts. Remember that snowball analogy? The longer the snowball rolls, the bigger it gets. Let's say you invest $1,000 at age 25 and earn an average annual return of 7%. By the time you retire at 65, your investment could grow to over $14,000. That's the power of compounding over 4 decades. Now, imagine starting at age 35. You'd have less time for your money to compound, and your investment might only grow to around $8,000 by retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Don't underestimate the magic of time. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about compound interest compared to simple interest? Well, with simple interest, you only earn interest on your principal amount. So in our previous example of $1,000 at 5% interest, you'd earn $50 every year, no matter how long you kept your money invested. With compound interest, your earnings grow exponentially because you're earning interest on your accumulated interest. Over time, the difference in earnings between compound and simple interest becomes substantial, especially for long-term investments. Simply put, compound interest is like a turbocharged engine for your money, while simple interest is like driving with the parking brake on. Choose compound interest and watch your wealth soar. Section 6. Real-life applications, savings, investments, and more. Compound interest isn't just some abstract financial concept. It has real-world applications that can significantly impact your financial well-being. From savings accounts to retirement funds, the magic of compounding works its wonders in various areas. High-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, or CDs, all offer compound interest. helping your money grow faster than traditional savings accounts. When it comes to investing, compound interest is the driving force behind long-term growth in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Even paying off debt faster involves the principle of compound interest working in reverse. By making extra payments on loans, you reduce the principal amount faster, ultimately saving money on interest charges. Understanding and utilizing compound interest is crucial for achieving your financial goals. On God, harnessing the power. Tips to maximize compound interest. Now that you're familiar with the magic of compound interest, let's explore some practical tips to harness its power and maximize your return. 1. Start early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to compound. Even small contributions add up over time. 2. Invest consistently. Regular contributions, no matter how small, keep the snowball rolling and accelerate growth. 3. Explore high-yield options. Look for savings accounts, CDs, or investment options with higher interest rates to boost your returns. 4. Reinvest your earnings. Instead of withdrawing interest earned, reinvest it to take full advantage of compounding. 5. Be patient. Compounding takes time to work its magic. Don't get discouraged. Stay consistent and let your money grow. By following these tips, you can unlock the full potential of compound interest and watch your wealth flourish over time. Peep game in this conclusion. Your path to financial growth. Congratulations. You've now unlocked the secrets of compound interest and joined the ranks of savvy individuals who understand its power. Remember, compound interest is like planting a tree. The best time to plant it was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Don't let another day go by without putting this knowledge into action. Start small, stay consistent, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders on your finances. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Section 9, Call to Action, subscribe and continue learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more empowering financial tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And for a deeper dive into maximizing your investment returns, check out my next video on investing for beginners. See you there.